Hey there, welcome. This is Revamped by Renee. Thank you so much for hopping into my video today. You are definitely not going to want to miss today's video. We are going to be recreating a DIY that I did last year for fall. It is the beautiful wood slice wreath that I made last year, and it was very popular. I actually had a few other DIYs that I had done in this video. I will also make sure to link it above for you all and in the description below. So today we are going to recreate it with a little bit of a different version. It's still just as beautiful. I know you'll love it, so make sure you stick around and definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss any future content, because we have the viral Halloween DIYs coming in my next video. So I definitely don't want you to miss those. They are so good. I had so much fun creating them. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive into today's video.
Alright, so we're going to start off with 3 wood slice rounds, and I'm going to leave the link for you all in the description of where I get mine off Amazon in bulk. Then you're going to need 2 different size embroidery hoops. Mine are 11.5 and 9 inches. And then we're going to take a combination of hot glue and wood glue, which mine is from Dollar Tree, and we are going to put that together onto the smallest embroidery hoop. Then we are going to pinch those 2 hoops together, and if you do have the clasp, as I do, just make sure it's in the bottom corner so you can cover it up with the wood slices later. And then you see me here just kind of dry fitting where I want all my wood slices to go. We're kind of forming this triangle shape with them. So we're going to place one of them on the top part of the smallest embroidery hoop at the bottom of it. And then you're going to place the other 2 on top of it as well, just as I'm doing here. Sometimes the words are hard to explain, so there's a visual for you. And then this is what it should look like once it's all assembled together. And now we're going to move on to attaching our beautiful florals. Alright, so I had this in my stash. These were some beautiful stems that I had picked up from Joann's a while back. It's part of the Blooms collection. And then also some eucalyptus to add another touch of greenery into this arrangement. And I love this color purple. I always loved purple, as some of you may know, but this color is more of my color because it's kind of like a muted, softer purple. It's not too bright, not too vibrant. It's just beautiful enough for fall. And then I just went ahead and hot glued every stem that I wanted to onto the back of the wood slices with a lot of hot glue and pressure. And I do suggest always dry fitting everything before you attach it permanently. And then here is what everything is looking like. Go ahead and fluff up all of your picks and your florals, and then we are going to attach some beautiful ribbon. I believe this is from Michael's, and it is wired. I do suggest the wired ribbon because it makes it really easy to attach to a door, and I'll show that at the very end. But I just hooped it or looped it inside of the very top or the biggest embroidery hoop there, and then I am hot gluing it together on the wired edges, so that way you don't really see the hot glue through the sheer ribbon. Then you have a hanger that looks like it absolutely blends and belongs with this wreath. It pulls it together so well. This wreath can be a staple in your home and in any decor style. Just change out the florals and you'll be good to go, because this is absolutely one of my favorite DIYs.
Alright, so before we wrap up today's video, I would love it if you would leave me a comment below and let me know if this is a DIY you would recreate for your home decor. It's definitely fall friendly. It's got elements of wood and natural colors in it, so you can definitely change out the flowers and make it exactly what your home decor needs. Alright everyone, so as I mentioned in the beginning, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell so you get notified when my viral Halloween DIY video comes out. And I will see you in the next one, and I can't wait. Bye everyone.